This demo shows how AI agents in Oracle Cloud Fusion applications can help your maintenance teams increase efficiency and reduce equipment downtime. It starts with Marie signing in to the Maintenance Supervisor workbench. She views unreleased work orders and sees that an important piece of equipment is displaying Alarm 727. She isn't familiar with that code, so she decides to get help from the Maintenance Advisor AI agent. Marie chooses the troubleshooting and operating manuals as sources that the AI agent should use to generate a response. Marie asks about Alarm 727. The AI agent searches across her company's documentation and summarizes the likely cause. Marie clicks Show Sources to learn more and then drills into the operator's manual to get details. The Maintenance Advisor AI agent identifies possible issues like spindle alignment or worn bearings and shares information about remedial measures too. Now Marie understands what's needed, she returns to the work order and kicks off a maintenance operation. She selects the work center of the faulty equipment and assigns the maintenance operation prescribed by the AI agent. You can see how the Maintenance Advisor AI agent helped Marie get the information needed to start repairs on important equipment. And that's it. Increasing the efficiency of the maintenance technicians and reducing equipment downtime are just two of the ways we're using Oracle AI to help you improve your business.